Do you have disability insurance through your employer? What does it protect, and is it enough? Disability insurance offered through your work is a good benefit and a great start to protect your income. However, if you're relying solely on the coverage you have through work, the percentage of income replaced can be inadequate. Adding your own disability insurance policy to your work coverage helps protect more of your income. For example, if your employer is paying the disability insurance premiums, you are required to pay the taxes on the benefit you receive if you file a claim. This means you receive less money. If you have your own disability policy, you receive your policy benefit amount tax-free because you paid the premiums with after-tax dollars. This means your policy benefit won't be reduced by taxes. When you have an individual policy, your coverage is in place wherever your career takes you. Coverage through work typically terminates when your employment ends. Additionally, an employer-sponsored plan is standard for all employees. But an individual disability insurance policy allows you to customize based on your protection needs. These are just a few examples of coverage gaps found in employer-provided disability insurance. Protect more of your income by adding your own disability insurance policy to your work coverage. You're working hard to earn your income. Don't forget to fully protect it.